If you want your keyboard to look the same as the one you have on Apple devices such as iPhone on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then what you need to do is first of all go to the Play Store and we need to search for an app that is called Green Apple Keyboard, as this app provides you the keyboard that looks really similar to the one that we have on iPhones. Once you install it, press open, then tap on enable in settings. Here we need to tap on the switcher where we have Green Apple Keyboard so that the keyboard can be used. Then go back and tap on switch input methods, and here we need to switch to Green Apple Keyboard. So in my case it is English US Green Apple Keyboard, and then we can press finished. Over here we also have some customization options, so you can go through these settings if you wish to adjust the keyboard, but that is essentially it. Now if you open the keyboard, as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as the one on iPhone. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!